Namaste and welcome to our final lesson on belonging. Today we're going to explore how you can leverage this powerful tool of community to hold yourself accountable on your habit building journey. From personal experience, I can say that it is quite easy to let myself down. And maybe you agree. Somehow, you're not hurting anybody, you're just hurting yourself, and it doesn't seem like such a big deal. But how do you feel when you make a promise or a commitment to someone else and then you let them down? We tend to feel a lot worse and a lot more guilty about letting other people down, which is why we don't do it nearly as often. When we make a promise to someone, we usually try as hard as we can to make it happen. And you can actually use this to your advantage by using community for holding yourself accountable. Simply go to our Facebook group and make an announcement that from now on, you're going to post an update every single day, sharing what yoga class you have done and what you learned from it. What was the main takeaway? That way, first of all, you're becoming a role model for others, inspiring and encouraging them to practice every single day. And you're even showing them little golden nuggets of wisdom that you picked up in the yoga class. And maybe they want to do that exact class as well. And second, you are holding yourself accountable because the whole community is directly or indirectly holding you accountable. You made the commitment that you're going to post an update every single day, and you know people are watching. So you're going to be much more diligent in actually delivering that update and in actually doing your practice. But what happens if you miss your practice one day? What should you do? I'd say you should post anyways. Explain that you wanted to continue your yoga practice as usual, but you couldn't because of whatever reason. Perhaps it is something personal, something work-related, perhaps there was an accident. Whatever it is, if you can get it off your chest, be vulnerable and share it with others, you're going to feel so relieved after. And other people might be able to offer their support or help you somehow. Because if you just keep your challenges to yourself and you don't share them with others, you might actually shy away from your yoga practice for another day or week or even longer because you're carrying this heavy weight with you. So, let's wrap this up, everything we learned about belonging so far. If you are an active member in our community or another yoga community, if you're sharing your goals, your successes, and your failures along the journey, you're going to have much more fun, you're going to receive so much more support, and it's going to be much easier for you to build the habit and to get where you want to be. That is all about belonging. I hope that you will really take this as an encouragement to actively participate in our community. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Until then, enjoy your yoga practice.